Many Kenyans today are looking for ways to earn money online using skills that do not require huge capital. One of the best opportunities available now is Canva. Canva is a simple online design platform that allows people to create graphics, videos, posters, presentations, logos, business cards, social media posts, and many other digital products. What makes Canva special is that even beginners can use it without professional graphic design experience. A person can start with only a smartphone, internet connection, and willingness to learn. In Kenya, digital businesses are growing very fast. Small businesses, churches, schools, influencers, YouTubers, and online shops all need attractive designs every day. This increasing demand has created many opportunities for Canva users. Some people are now earning a few thousand Kenyan shillings monthly, while others are making hundreds of thousands of Kenyan shillings from Canva-related work. The good thing is that you can start small and grow slowly as your skills improve. One of the easiest ways to make money with Canva in Kenya is by offering graphic design services. Businesses always need posters, flyers, banners, menus, brochures, and social media graphics. Many small businesses do not know how to design professional-looking content, so they hire freelancers to help them. With Canva, you can create modern designs quickly and sell them to clients. For example, a small restaurant in Kisumu may need posters for food offers. A church in Nairobi may need event banners for a crusade. A salon owner in Nakuru may need Instagram posts to advertise hairstyles. A real estate agent in Mombasa may require brochures for houses on sale. All these people can become your clients if you learn how to use Canva properly. At first, you may charge between 500 Kenyan shillings and 2,000 Kenyan shillings for simple designs. As your portfolio grows, you can increase your prices. Some experienced Canva freelancers charge over 10,000 Kenyan shillings for branding packages and social media management services. The best thing about freelancing is that you can work from anywhere. You can work from your house, cyber cafe, hostel room, or even while traveling. You only need internet and a device. Many Kenyan youths are now turning freelancing into full-time businesses because it offers freedom and flexibility. Social media is another powerful way to make money using Canva. Today, businesses rely heavily on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn marketing. However, social media requires consistent posting of attractive content. This is where Canva designers come in. You can help businesses create social media posts, promotional graphics, quote cards, and advertising banners. Many business owners are busy and do not have time to create content daily. They prefer hiring someone who can design multiple posts every week. If you manage several clients at the same time, your income can grow significantly. For example, if you manage social media graphics for 5 businesses and each pays 20,000 Kenyan shillings monthly, you can make 100,000 Kenyan shillings every month. To attract clients, you need to market yourself consistently. One effective method is posting your work online. Share your Canva designs on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and WhatsApp status. People usually hire designers after seeing examples of their work. Even if you are a beginner, create sample designs to showcase your creativity. Another profitable method is selling Canva templates. Templates are ready-made designs that other people can edit and customize. Instead of creating custom work for every client, you design once and sell repeatedly. This creates passive income. You can create templates for resumes, business cards, church programs, wedding invitations, planners, budgets, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, and ebooks. Many people prefer buying templates because they save time. Once you upload templates to platforms such as Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market, people can continue buying them while you focus on creating more products. Some Canva creators make very good money selling templates internationally. A simple template bundle can sell for between 1,000 Kenyan shillings and 20,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on quality and demand. If hundreds of people buy your templates, the income becomes significant. Canva is also very useful for YouTube content creation. Many YouTubers in Kenya use Canva to create thumbnails, intros, video slides, and channel banners. A good thumbnail increases clicks and views. Because of this, YouTubers are willing to pay designers who can create attractive thumbnails. You can specialize only in YouTube thumbnails and still build a profitable business. Some creators upload videos daily and need consistent designs. If you build good relationships with content creators, you can earn recurring monthly income. Apart from designing for YouTubers, you can also start your own YouTube channel. Canva now includes video editing tools that make it easier to create videos without expensive software. You can create motivational videos, business videos, educational content, travel content, sports content, or celebrity news videos. Many faceless YouTube channels today are created using Canva. Instead of appearing on camera, creators use stock videos, animations, voiceovers, and text-based storytelling. Once your channel gets enough views and subscribers, you can earn through advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales. Affiliate marketing itself is another way to make money with Canva. Canva has an affiliate program where people earn commissions by referring new users to Canva Pro. You can create tutorials on YouTube, TikTok, or blogs explaining how Canva works. When people subscribe using your affiliate link, you earn commissions. Blogging is another area where Canva can help you earn money. Bloggers constantly need featured images, infographics, Pinterest pins, and social media graphics. If you know how to design attractive blog visuals, you can offer services to bloggers locally and internationally. In addition, you can start your own blog about business ideas, technology, travel, education, health, or entertainment. Canva will help you create professional blog graphics that make your website look attractive. As your blog grows, you can earn through advertisements, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Many Kenyans are also using Canva for print-on-demand businesses. Print-on-demand means creating designs for products such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, stickers, notebooks, and phone covers. You upload your designs to print-on-demand platforms, and products are printed only when customers order. For example, you can design motivational quotes, funny sayings, sports graphics, or African-inspired artwork using Canva. Once customers buy the products, the printing company handles production and shipping. Your role is mainly design and marketing. This business model is attractive because you do not need to keep stock. You avoid risks associated with buying inventory in advance. Some creators promote their products using TikTok and Instagram Reels, which can quickly attract buyers. Canva is also useful for ebook creation. Many people today are making money selling ebooks about cooking, farming, fitness, personal finance, business, relationships, and motivation. Canva makes ebook design simple because it offers ready-made templates and drag-and-drop editing. For example, you can create an ebook about profitable businesses in Kenya and sell it online. You can also create revision materials for students or guides, teaching people how to start online businesses. Once created, ebooks can generate passive income for a long time. Teaching Canva skills is another growing opportunity in Kenya. Many people want to learn digital skills, but do not know where to start. If you become good at Canva, you can teach beginners physically or online. Some people organize training classes in cyber cafes, colleges, or community centers. Others teach through YouTube, TikTok, Telegram groups, or paid online courses. Online education is growing quickly, and people are willing to pay for useful skills. If you explain Canva in simple language and provide practical lessons, you can build a loyal audience. Another important opportunity is creating resumes and professional documents. Many job seekers need modern CVs and resumes to increase their chances of getting employed. Canva offers professional templates that can help you create attractive CVs quickly. You can advertise CV writing and design services on Facebook groups, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. Some people charge between 1,000 Kenyan shillings and 5,000 Kenyan shillings for professional resume services. Canva is also useful for event businesses. Weddings, birthdays, graduations, baby showers, funerals, and corporate events all require invitation cards, banners, programs, and posters. Many event planners need reliable designers who can deliver quality work quickly. If you network properly, event planners can become long-term clients. During busy seasons such as December holidays and graduation periods, demand for designs usually increases. One major advantage of Canva is that it works well even for beginners. Unlike complicated software that requires advanced training, Canva allows people to start learning immediately. A beginner can master basic design skills within a few weeks through consistent practice. However, success does not come automatically. Many people fail because they expect quick money without putting effort into learning and marketing themselves. To succeed, you need discipline and consistency. Practice every day. Study design principles such as color combinations, spacing, typography, and branding. Observe successful creators and learn from them. Improve gradually instead of comparing yourself with experts. Building a strong portfolio is also important. Clients want proof that you can deliver quality work. Create samples even before getting clients. Design social media posts, flyers, logos, posters, and business cards for imaginary companies if necessary. A good portfolio increases trust. Pricing is another challenge many beginners face. Some people charge extremely low prices because they fear losing clients. While competitive pricing is important at the beginning, avoid undervaluing your work completely. As your skills improve, increase your charges gradually. Communication skills are also very important in freelancing. Respond to clients professionally and on time. Understand their needs clearly before starting projects. Deliver work within agreed timelines. Good customer service increases referrals and repeat business. Internet access and devices can sometimes be challenges, especially for beginners. However, many successful Canva users started with basic smartphones. As you earn money, you can upgrade gradually to better devices such as laptops and tablets. Canva Pro can also improve your work because it provides premium templates, advanced editing tools, brand kits, and AI features. Although the free version is useful, Canva Pro gives freelancers more flexibility and efficiency. Artificial intelligence is also changing how people use Canva. Today, Canva includes AI-powered tools that help users generate images, remove backgrounds, create presentations, edit videos, and write content faster. This means designers can complete projects more quickly than before. Still, creativity remains important. AI can assist you, but original ideas and understanding client needs are what make freelancers valuable. People who combine creativity with consistency usually succeed more. Networking is another powerful strategy. Connect with business owners, content creators, photographers, social media managers, and entrepreneurs. Sometimes clients come through referrals rather than advertisements. Attend business events, engage in online communities, and build relationships. Patience is necessary because online income takes time to grow. Some months may be slow, especially at the beginning. Do not quit too early. Many successful freelancers struggled before building stable income streams. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is depending on only one source of income. It is better to combine several methods. For example, you can design for clients, sell templates, run a YouTube channel, and do affiliate marketing at the same time. Multiple income streams provide better financial stability. Personal branding is also very important. People trust professionals who appear serious and organized. Create professional social media profiles. Use quality profile pictures and showcase your work clearly. Consistent branding increases credibility. Many Kenyan youths are now realizing that digital skills can create life-changing opportunities. Canva is among the easiest digital skills to learn because it requires low startup capital. Unlike traditional businesses that may need hundreds of thousands of Kenyan shillings, Canva freelancing can start with very little money. As internet usage continues growing across Kenya, demand for digital content will also continue increasing. Businesses need online visibility to survive, and that means they will continue needing graphic designers and content creators. The future for Canva users in Kenya looks promising. More businesses are moving online every year. Influencer marketing is expanding. YouTube channels are increasing. E-commerce is growing rapidly. All these industries require visual content. For students, Canva can become a side hustle that pays school expenses. For unemployed graduates, it can become a freelancing career. For entrepreneurs, it can reduce marketing costs and increase business visibility. For content creators, it can improve branding and audience growth. What matters most is taking action. Many people spend too much time watching tutorials without practicing. Start small and improve gradually. Your first designs may not look perfect, but with consistency, you will improve over time. The digital economy is creating new opportunities every day. Canva has become one of the easiest entry points for ordinary Kenyans who want to earn online. With determination, creativity, patience, and continuous learning, Canva can become more than just a design tool. It can become a reliable source of income and financial growth.